Hello students, continuing with the trigonometry sums. So the next question is something like this one. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Okay, the question is something like this one. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. This is the question. So you are not given the sides separately, but it is given the form of what? Sum of two sides. See here. So for that one, let me draw a triangle so that you can understand here. Right angle at Q means Q must be here. Then obviously this is P, Q and this is R. What you are given? PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. No problem with this one. Then you are given PR plus QR. That means sum of this and this one you are given. PR plus QR. See here how to solve this one. So let me write this one. First PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. These two are given. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what we will do? You are going to write this way: in right angle triangle PQR. Okay, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. These two are given. Okay, so what we will get here? PR square simple is equal to PQ square plus QR square. ಇದು Pythagoras theorem property. Okay, it's the simple ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ನೀವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ Pythagoras theorem. Now look at this one. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ PR plus QR ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ನಮಗೆ PR ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿರಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ see I am going to do this way. I am writing PR plus QR is equal to 25. I can write PR is equal to 25 minus QR. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ PR ಅನ್ನು QR ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. So that means I can write in place of PR 25 minus QR. So side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? PR can be written as ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ 25 minus QR whole square ರೀತಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, then is equal to PQ square ಅದಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತದ 5 square plus QR square. Okay, you write QR square as it is, so that you are remaining with only QR and QR. You can simplify that one. So now look at this, is in the form of A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square means this is A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is exponential of this one is equal to, this is 5 square is 25 plus QR square this way. Okay, then here it is 625. Okay, plus QR square minus 25 to the 50 QR is equal to 25 plus QR square. Okay, what happens here? This QR square and this QR square get cancelled because they are on both opposite sides. They get cancelled. Otherwise it is same as say if you take this QR this side, then it becomes minus QR square. It cancels. So you remain with 625. I'll bring this 25 this side. Minus 25 is equal to, take this one this side, 50 QR. See how interesting this problem is. 625 minus 25 is 600 is equal to 50 QR. Or you can write here, I'll write on the same thing here, 50 QR, okay, is equal to 600 you have. So QR is equal to 600 divided by 50. This 0 and the 0 goes. 5 ones are 5, 12 5 is 60. So that means QR is equal to 12. That means here we have got this one as 12. Okay, now listen, you have got this one and this one. You can find this very easily. Don't apply once again the Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to this and this one. So already you have PR is equal to 25 minus QR. You can call it as 1. So what will we do here? So from 1 you can write, from 1 what you have, PR is equal to 25 minus QR. So what you are writing, PR is equal to 25 minus 12, that is equal to 30. That is PR is equal to, you have got this also, 30 centimeter. That means all the values you know now, this and this one, and whatever the trigonometric functions you are asked, you can find very easily with the help of these. Okay, now we'll move to that. Okay, so now look at this one. I'm writing here. So what you have asked, you are asked to find sine P is how much, then it is asked cos P is how much, and at the same time tan P. From diagram we can find these values. See here. So this is sine P, means this is the angle we are discussing now about this one. Okay, if we are going with this one, the side opposite to this one is the opposite side for this angle. This is opposite and it becomes the adjacent. Obviously this is hypotenuse, opposite to the right angle triangle, no question about that one. Only this one you remember, and this one is the adjacent. Okay, now you know that one, sine P is equal to, that is sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Directly you can write opposite is QR, hypotenuse is PR, its value is 12 upon 13. Finished. Okay, then cos P is given by adjacent, P only. Okay, they asked P only. Okay, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? PQ. Hypotenuse is PR. That is equal to 5 upon 13. Once again, very simple. Then you have tan P. Tan P is given by opposite upon adjacent. So that is equal to, you have opposite, that is QR upon PQ. Okay, so that is equal to 12 by 5. Here nothing get cancelled, you are keeping them as it is. So in the sense here, you have got sine P is equal to 12 upon, conclude, 12 upon 30, cos P is equal to 5 upon 30, and you have tan P is equal to 12 upon 5. Hope you people understood this one. So this way you are solving the sum when you are not given the side. If it is given in the form of sum of two sides, in that case you have to little work on the triangle. Okay.